Turning now to the war in Ukraine. UNESCO has strongly condemned recent Russian attacks on a World Heritage Site. One person was killed and 20 more injured in the missile strikes in Odesa. The port city's historic center is recognized as a World Heritage Site. Ukrainian officials say several buildings were destroyed. The historic Transfiguration Cathedral was also severely damaged. In a statement on Sunday, UNESCO's Director General said the attacks targeted the cultural heritage of Ukraine. President Volodymyr Zelensky offered his condolences in a video message and vowed to restore all of Ukraine's monuments, including the Odesa Cathedral. Meanwhile, in Russia, drone strikes hit 2 buildings in Moscow early Monday morning. Russia's defense ministry blamed Ukraine for what it called a terrorist attack. It says there were no casualties and the 2 drones were intercepted and destroyed.